Hey everyone, my name is Zian and I'm a physics teacher by day and dance teacher by night. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do arm waves. Now the arm waves look easy, and they are easy, but if you're a beginner who's trying this for the first time, you might find that you can't get it as smooth as you'd like and you end up looking like an octopus flailing its tentacles instead. So I'm going to show you how to practice so that the arm waves come out really smooth, graceful and beautiful. Let's work on one arm at a time. So follow what you see on screen. You're going to use your right arm. The movement is initiated with the shoulder. So you're going to start by lifting up your shoulder first, followed by your elbow, and then your wrist, and then your fingers. So in order to do this smoothly, here is what you must take note of. Start first with your shoulder, and then your elbow is going to come up and let your forearm dangle like this. Then when you bring your wrist up, you need to turn your elbow down. Can you see what I did? I didn't leave my elbow there and wrist come up. This just gives you the broken arm doll look. So it's shoulder and then your elbow. And then when your wrist comes up, you need to turn your elbow down. So if I show it to you from this side, it's up, elbow, and then the elbow comes down to allow the wrist to come up. So again from this view, shoulder, elbow, the elbow will come down as the wrist comes up, and then fingers. You've got to try to get this to be as smooth as possible in order to get the wave look. And when you finish, you need to have your elbow slightly down in a relaxed position and your fingers are slightly up at shoulder level. You don't want your fingers to get too high because that doesn't look like a wave anymore. It looks like you're like, let's not do that. So finish up with your fingers at shoulder level. Elbow is bent and slightly lower than the shoulder level. Once you've managed to get your right arm to get a beautiful wave, then you must of course remember to practice with your left. So it's the same movement, again starting with the shoulder, elbow, and as the elbow goes down, your wrist goes up, followed by your fingers. So remember, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers. Another thing to take note, of course, is remember to relax your shoulders at the end of the movement. So don't keep them up. Okay, you know, she says, bring the elbows down and your shoulders are up. No, you gotta also relax your shoulders. So the shoulders initiate the movement, but as the elbows come down, also relax your shoulders. And that's how you do a beautiful arm wave. So remember to hit like and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as switch on the bell button so that you can get notifications on when more easy dance move video tutorials like this will be out. Thanks for watching and happy waving!